Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindar Pal, owner of Messrs. Ambika Precision Works. We are into manufacturing precision turned parts mainly on CNC turning machines. We have started our business in April 2010. We purchased LMW in 2015, August 2015. It was a small machine, LX20T L3. But we found that machine very good in terms of tool life, in terms of precision and accuracy, in terms of repeatability. So after that, we decided to go into big machine for LMW again. So we purchased LR30T L7 in August 2022, and absolutely this machine has no comparison whatsoever. In terms of load taking, we can directly plunge a U-drill of say 50 mm without spindle load. With my experience with LR30T L7, I would suggest to go for this machine without any doubt. The performance of LR30T L7 is good in terms of all respects, say surface finish or say repeatability or tool life, everything. Regarding service, currently they are having a very good team of service person in Vasai. Also, you can book a call online anytime, any say day or night, anytime, and the person will come next morning. They are having a call booking system for service, for breakdown of any type of breakdown. You can book a call and the service person will come next day. We are satisfied and happy with the performance of LMW machines.